Hi, welcome to Analytics Traffic Sources. In this video, we look at what are the different traffic sources for this channel you can find for your channel. Once if you click here, you will see these are the traffic sources. Means from YouTube search, means someone searching like this, what is MBA or MBA. If someone searches like this, if it is suggested, that is what is the major source for all these things. If you click here, it takes to all the keywords people are actually searching. See, this is the keyword people are searching. Once if you click it here, it takes to that keyword, and see, this is the second one. Here people are seeing with this keyword, actually we are getting 2000 minutes, 844 views we got in the last 28 days for our channel. Definitely you can prioritize the keywords. What is management? See, this is the top keyword, top video where it is displaying what is management. See, to that MBA course, if someone is clicking MBA course, see, it is showing all of my videos. See, these are all popular course and MBA videos, course topic, and this one and this one. See, these are the videos actually it is showing for MBA course. If someone clicks on MBA course, it is getting a lot of my videos. So that is the reason this channel is getting a lot of views regularly, consistently. So you can understand what are the exact sources of your keywords. For example, if I change to, for example, my cooking channel, we can see the traffic sources are like, see, the traffic source, for example, top level is always YouTube search, 46,000 views in the last 28 days. And the next one is external. Click on external. See, actually people are searching outside. Google search means actually people are searching on Google. Maybe they are searching like cooking video, something like that. Even some people are searching on WhatsApp, Yahoo search, Bing.com. You can understand from this which websites actually sending search.myway.com, Android browser, YouTube, and suggested videos. What is suggested videos? See, when we play on particular video, for example, if I play this, actually it's suggesting other videos. These are the suggested videos. Means someone watching when some other video, actually this video is suggested. That is what is YouTube is doing. If your videos are good, definitely YouTube suggests. See, this is almost 10% of the views are coming from YouTube suggesting. So first of all, if you see this YouTube search, see, actually people are traffic source is chicken biryani in Telugu. Actually people are searching for that. If you click here, so this is the second one, chicken dum biryani recipe. Chicken dum biryani tayar cheya vidanam Telugulo. So that is the reason it is getting lot of views, because this is coming in top. Chicken dum biryani in Telugu. If someone clicking that, see, this is coming in the top, first one. Biryani recipe in Telugu, that is around 1.8%. Biryani recipe in Telugu, even for that also it is coming in the top. So these are like this, you can understand for which keywords this is getting the views. For example, you might be having some specific tags which are not at all listed in your video, so that based on this you can modify your tags also in the video. That is how you have to change your strategy. For example, this is showing 500 keywords. Someone is clicking Pulauchar recipe in Telugu. So that is the second one. So try to understand how this is to be used. For example, if you click on particular video, for example, vegetable biryani in Telugu, I want to see what kind of these are the keywords for which this video got these many views in the last 28 days. Veg biryani in Telugu, vegetable biryani in Telugu, veg biryani Telugu. See, these are the major ones. If you click here, based on that keyword, for that keyword, actually, see, this is veg biryani in Telugu. We are getting views 29, 15, 11 every day. Even you can go very specific to a particular keyword. People are actually searching for those videos. I hope you understood, and it needs some time for you to understand about your channel, but try to dig which keywords are actually bringing more views, then incorporate those keywords in your videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.